Alright guys, good morning. It is day 20 of Road to Funded. It is 9:34, so about 5 minutes past market open. Yeah, so let's talk about, in the last video, I kind of talked about these trends that I had marked out. So here's our NASDAQ one, and the ES one followed this trend like almost exactly. So I think this is good to mark out. I think this is a good thing to mark out in the future because it looks pretty accurate in helping us figure out where market wants to go. So we kind of sweeping this new week opening gap low on ES. Kind of an equilibrium, swept the London session low right before market opened. So we are just going to wait for price to give us an entry. I'm pretty sure I want to take shorts because of all this room in the trend area after it came back out. So what I'm kind of saying here for anyone that doesn't understand is this area price seems to be staying within this area, and every time it goes out of it, it comes back down. Every time it goes out of it, it comes back down. So I'm looking, price just came out of this. Looking for price to come back down, taking out these 4-hour key levels and this 1-hour key level. So yeah, it might want to come back up, take out this new week opening gap again, or maybe take out this little high right here, or I don't know, because the trend area and new week opening gap are kind of right next to each other, so maybe it just wants to go above these two and then come back down. Maybe we'll get an entry that way. Not too sure, but yeah, we will see. See kind of what happens. All right, guys. So we had market open. We marked out our first candle highs and lows. The New York Open highs and lows on the 15-minute candle. Marked that out on both. We came out of that, came out of the trend, came out of the new week opening gap, came out of all that on NASDAQ. Thing is, I'm looking at the 1 hour or even the 4 hour. None of these other ones ever kind of retraced back up. They all just kind of went straight down. So I think this is going to want to continue down. Yeah, so I'm still bearish. I think we're going to want to continue down, take out this low and this low, go into this 4-hour fair value gap on ES, but we did create a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. So if we break that on ES, I will definitely be looking on the 1-minute time frame, looking for shorts. But yeah, we're gonna see what price does. Looks like Nasdaq is dropping too. I don't really see it going up today. So I'm just gonna wait for my entry short, and if we don't get it, then we just won't trade today. Alright guys, so we created this 5-minute inverse for value gap. We didn't close below it, but we did break it. I still not seeing too much on NASDAQ. It's kind of choppy, so we'll probably stick to ES. Yeah. Yeah, it's just so wiki. There's no confluences. Yeah, hopefully we break below this 5-minute inverse for value gap. We'll look for a 1-minute confirmation. I don't know why I drew this fib retracement. It's not really important, but yeah, hopefully we can break this and take shorts today. The only thing kind of scaring me about taking shorts today is all this resistance. Um, if market wants us to take longs, we did dip below this new week opening gap. I still kind of want to take shorts down to this fair value gap and then longs. I think I'm still bearish. Alright guys, I think if we close below this 5-minute inverse fair value gap, I'm going to enter short with my stop loss up here. Alright guys, I entered a little bit of my position. I'm going to enter the rest if we get a 1-minute confirmation. Alright guys, I just entered the rest of my position. Reset my stop losses. Alright guys, I'm in my full position. Alright guys, I'm in my full position, so I'm just going to let this trade play out and I will update you guys with how it goes. Yet again, another day where as soon as I enter, price does absolutely fucking nothing. Alright guys, I was eating some breakfast, but we did come down and hit take profit 1. So we are up $865. Yeah, I moved my stop loss to break even. We'll see how the rest of the day plays out, but happy to have a positive day. I think the marking out those trend lines and this 4-hour fair value gap, some of the more macro stuff was really helpful for me today, and then I was patient and happy with my trade today. So we'll see how the rest plays out. Maybe we'll make some more, but yeah, pretty good day. All right, guys. So we moved our stop loss to break even and got stopped out, which is fine. We're up 850 on the day. So I moved my stop loss to break even after hitting take profit 1, which is what my strategy tells me to do. Now I'm still very bearish. Part of me debated kind of leaving my stop loss or moving it up a little bit higher to lower my risk, but not completely take it out. But you know, I do think this is going to come down and take out the take profit levels. But yeah, there's so much just what is this called? There's so much resistance telling me that this could reverse up. So I'm fine with breaking even at my stop loss. 850 on the day. Happy to get a winning trading day. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow.